The Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2 is the first Husqvarna Viking to have the Integrated Dual Feed function, sometimes referenced as IDF. That's this little lever back here. As I pull down and away from me, you see that it's got like a set of feed dogs to help pull the top fabric through. This is like having a built-in walking foot. So what does this actually do? So it's going to help pull fabrics through that might be a little bit wavy. If you've ever had that happen, or you feel like you've needed to put a walking foot on to sew on some of the flannels or stretchy fabrics you've been working on. If you're machine quilting through and you're straight stitching through multiple layers of fabric with batting in between, that's when you usually use a walking foot. You're just going to flip the right foot on and you use and engage that IDF system, and that's how easy it is to start stitching, say in the ditch, or do any other type of machine quilting. And you do actually have to have a foot on that is appropriate for that function. So you see right here on the back of this A foot, there is a cutout for that lever. So as I slide it on, if it's not filled in by this, there's a big open gap here, and there's actually some wiggle room. So if you are using a foot that has that opening, make sure you reach behind the machine, slide it down, it will come and click into position. It goes exactly where it needs to go. When you're done or using a different foot that doesn't have that opening, like the S foot, so you'll see on your screen when it calls for the different feet. And if you have this engaged and you have a foot on that it doesn't like for that stitch, you're going to see a little pop-up message on your screen. Then it's your choice whether you use it or override that function. But when you slide it down and away from you, and then you can put on a different foot, you leave that disengaged because this foot is not for that option. But a couple feet that do come with your machine that has that feature, like the A foot, is your 1/4 inch foot. You do see that that opening is available for that to pull down. Make sure you fill it in. Plus your F foot, your E foot, that's the zipper foot, that depending if you attach it to the left or to the right, then you pull that down to come into these areas. Make sure you don't put this on backwards. I've seen people do that. That doesn't work at all, but make sure you can read the letter E on the front of your foot. Now, your Husqvarna Viking retailer does have a handful of other accessory feet that they have made for this awesome cutout. Just note that you don't put a walking foot on this machine. You'll notice that this is completely in the way and you won't be able to get it on in the first place. So if you do have a walking foot from a previous Husqvarna Viking machine, that foot is to stay with that particular model because you don't need it anymore.